What makes a sentence complete in English? How can you build your own sentence confidently? Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be very important because we are going to learn about basic structure of sentence in English. Formation of correct sentences using the correct structures plays a vital role in speaking and writing English correctly. If you understand this structure correctly, you will be able to build correct sentences, whether you are speaking or writing. Let's get started. A sentence is a group of words that express a complete thought. For example, he writes, he is a boy, they sing. Each sentence gives a complete idea. Things. Let's have a look at the parts of a sentence. The first one is the subject. Subject is the doer that does something. For example, he eats rice. So here, he is the subject. And next one is verb, a word that expresses an action, state, or occurrence. For example, he eats rice. So eats is the verb here. The third one is the object, a person or thing that receives the action of a verb. He eats rice. Here, rice is the object. While forming the sentences, we must know the word order. First, the subject, verb, and object, as he cooks rice. In English, sentences have this order, but in Nepali, there is the structure subject, object, verb. Like u, subject, bhat is object, khanja is verb. Here are different English sentence pattern. Now let's have a look at different English sentence pattern. Like the first one, subject plus verb, as in Raju eats. Number 2, subject, verb, object. Raju eats rice. A third one, subject, verb, adjective. I am fine, she is beautiful. And fourth one, subject, verb, adverb. John lives here. I walk slowly. And the fifth one is here, subject, verb, and noun. Like, he is a teacher. You are my friend. Now let's learn other pattern of forming sentence. Subject plus is MR plus for and object. Like, I am eating rice. He is reading a book. So we use this pattern of sentence to talk about events that's continuing or that's going on and that has not been finished. So remember, whenever you are talking about or describing such action, so you can form the sentence by using this structure. Another one, subject, has, have, verb 3, part, participle, and object. He has eaten food. They have washed face. So we use this structure of sentence to talk about events or actions that has been recently completed. Another, subject plus verb, object. So I ate food. They played ball. So we use this pattern of sentence to describe events or actions that happened in the past that we have already done. So remember, whenever you are describing or talking about events in your daily life conversation, so remember to form your sentence using this structure. Another comes subject, was, were, for, and object. Like I was reading a book. they were watching TV. And we use this pattern of sentence to describe actions happening at a specific time in the past. So we can add adverb to this sentence to make the event more specific. So we can use this structure as well, where we add an adverb in order to make the event more specific. Now let's have an overview of what we learned. So let's have a look at the basic sentence structure. Number 1, subject, verb. 2, subject, verb, object. 3, subject, verb, adjective. Subject, verb, adverb, and subject, verb, noun. Hold on, don't skip the video. We are going to have a practice session. So what I want you to do is to unscramble words by following correct sentence structure. Are you ready for this? First one, eat he rice. Place it in correct order and form a correct sentence. He eats rice. Going are they. They are going. Good. Played she a ball. She played a ball. Slowly walk I. I walk slowly. Watching they TV were. They were watching TV. So in this way, you can form correct sentences by using these structures. If you found this video lesson helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with someone learning English. See you in next lesson. Keep practicing, keep improving.